Good afternoon, everyone. This is Daniel live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. Let's get started with our market open report. The S&P ASX 200 is up today, gaining 0.42% and setting a new 20-day high. Over the last 5 days, the index has gained 2.74%, but is virtually unchanged over the last year to date. The top performing stocks in this index are Virgin Money UK up 4.87% and IMUGENE up 4.81%. Santos announced a large oil discovery at the Pavo 1 well 160 kilometres northeast of Port Hedland, in which Carnarvon is a 30/70 partner, making Carnarvon energy surge by 22.5%. Santos was up 0.1%, while Plenty jumped 17% on its profit upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the stocks making a buzz in today's opening session. Santos announced a significant oil discovery in its Pavo 1 exploration well, 46 kilometres east of the Dorado field in Bedout Sub-basin offshore Western Australia. The well was drilled on the northern culmination of the Greater Pavo structure and encountered a 60-metre gross hydrocarbon column in the primary Kali member reservoir target. Wireline data has confirmed 46 metres of net oil pay with an oil-water contract intersection with 3,000 metres measured in depth. Excellent reservoir quality is interpreted from logs with 19% average porosity, permeables in the 100 to 1,000 mil-Darcy range, and hydrocarbon saturations averaging 80%, similar to that encountered in the Dorado field. Plenty is pleased to announce it expects to be cash NPAT profitable for the full year to 31st of March 2022. And that the company has achieved its loan book growth target for the financial year. After achieving positively monthly cash NPAT for the first time in October 2021, monthly cash NPAT has continued to increase each month. In line with this growth in profitability, Plenty now forecasts delivering cash NPAT of at least $2.2 million in the 6-month period ending 31st of March 2022. The company had previously communicated a cash NPAT objective of at least $1 million in the second half of 2022. The board of anteotech announced that Mr. Derek Thompson had given notice of his resignation as Chief Executive Officer. Derek has undertaken to serve out his 6-month notice period as required and will work with Executive Director Mr. Christopher Parker and the management team to continue advancing the commercial activities in both the life sciences and energy divisions. Cettire confirms that Mr. Dean Mintz, founder and CEO, has agreed to sell down 35 million shares in the company from the shares which were recently released from voluntary escrow. This sell down represents 9.18% of the company's issued capital. The sale was undertaken at a price of $1.35 per share in a block trade. Following the sale, Mr. Mintz will retain a 56.72% shareholding in the company and remain Cettire's largest shareholder. Mr. Mintz has also confirmed that he will not sell any further shares in the Cettire prior to the release of the company's financial year 2022 full year results. Well, that's all for now on early trades. Stay tuned for Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you and live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Daniel signing off for now.